Do you think you can live without meat? For me, with avoiding meat, I need to literally take it meal by meal, not even a day at a time. What's going on? Today's video features everything fresh, tea, a vegetarian wrap that I am loving, some bits from Amazon, and my sweet friend Sola. Yes!
Ashley's vlog.
Oh, saucy, saucy! You brought me groceries! Say hi!
Hi!
For the youth.
I'm just gonna put it there.
Yes, because social distancing.
You know?
Thank you, Sola. I love you.
Love you. Mwah.
Something.
Peace. I literally
You look so good. Love it. So here's my go-to vegetarian wrap. Simple ingredients, and you can screenshot this. So I'm heating my wrap and cutting my ingredients. I love eating simple things that don't require a lot of time in the kitchen but is still filling and tasty. This has ticked all of the boxes for me. I love mushrooms, so I'm throwing in some mushrooms, some tomatoes, bell pepper, and onion, which I cut off camera. Adding a little oil to the pan and throwing those simple ingredients in, black pepper as well as paprika. And then of course some cheese, 50% less fat according to Sainsbury's. And here I have a little concoction with an avocado, some lemon juice, black pepper, and some pepper flakes. So this also helped to make the wrap more filling, and of course adding in some greens. Spinach is a must. This pepper sauce ain't ready yet. I need something hot like Guyanese hot pepper sauce. And of course, you know, you gotta wash the dishes and clean the kitchen before you finish. This is literally the kitchen. It is so freaking tiny, but in some ways I love it. Oh, hold on. This isn't mine. Oh my god, I need to put everything back. I would believe that I'm some sort of big chef. Spices on spices in there. Anyways, so because our kitchen doesn't have a fridge, there's no room for a fridge, we each have a tiny fridge in our room, and every time I need to cook, I bring my things into the kitchen, obviously. So I got this cute little basket here. I load it up with everything that I need, my ingredients, whatever I need for the meal, and then I pack up and go back to my room. Dorm life. It's so good, and with the cheese. I have a friend, Joel. I can guarantee you, if I post this wrap on my Instagram, he's gonna be like, whole wheat? Yes, Joel, whole wheat. No, I'm kidding. This is white and wheat. It's a mixture or something. Do you think you can live without meat? I think I can live without meat. My younger brother was a vegetarian from like as a child up until he was 19, 20, 21. Now he eats chicken. What I don't like is being forced to switch. And I think a lot of the information that we get from vegans, it seems very in your face, like pushy, like do this, do that. But on the receiving end, I think it's very important to listen to what they're saying. What impact meat consumption have on the environment, on our bodies, on our health. That is what I will say. It's very important to listen. I don't try to push anything on anyone. During this lockdown, I just decided to stock up on other things like fruits and fresh vegetables, and I will share the vegetarian recipes that I do try. My channel is all about a journey, right? Journey with weight loss, because we know I gained a few pounds, and my journey as it relates to consuming less meat. One thing I love about living in the UK is next day delivery. So I decided to incorporate apple cider vinegar to my routine in the mornings, and this is a massive bottle. My biotin, which I showed in my last video.
and resistance bands because I did not have and I needed to work out because my ankle still is not that well. So this will help me to do some exercises at home. And now for some tea.
Drink a lot of tea. What kind of tea do you guys like? Actually, let me show you this tea that I have. Strong Cerasee / Karila. Because I love sweet so much, I think this is essential for me to have around. Ooh, the smell. Tea has always been something that I feel you should be able to sit and sip and enjoy. But this tea here, girl, it's not one to enjoy. It's just one to like done and dusted. So I need to go. I have some uni work to do, so we'll charge my camera and see you later.
Remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy body, healthy mind, all